Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove or replace the front bumper from any Audi A4 B8 out there. Today I'm working on this car, which is made in the year 2010, and for example in my case I will have to replace the timing belt kit on this vehicle, and to do so, because the engine is mounted transversal, you'll have to remove the front bumper and you'll have to pull the entire front end of the vehicle forward to create you more space to work on the timing belt and remove the parts from right there. So right here, the first thing which you have to do if you want to remove the front bumper on this kind of vehicle is to remove this plastic part which is mounted right here over the front bumper. It's secured with 4 bolts and you have to use a Torx 30 to remove them, and after that you have to pull it out and put it away. And after that you have to go under the front bumper or under the vehicle and you have to remove the undershield which is attached to the front bumper. You'll have to remove some bolts and some screws and you'll have to put it away, and after that the front bumper will be released from under the car. After that, the next step which you'll have to do is to go on each side of the front bumper and you'll have to remove 3 bolts which are securing the front bumper attached to the corners and to the front fenders. For example, in my case, you'll have one bolt around right here in this area. After that, the second bolt will be right here, which is securing the front bumper attached to the front fender. And after that, right here inside the wheel arch, you'll have 2 more bolts which are securing the dust protection of the wheel attached to the front bumper. After removal of these bolts, the front bumper will be released from the corners and you can pull it out from the vehicle. My recommendation will be to lift the car up and put it on a jack stand just to remove the front wheels completely out from the vehicle and just to make you more room and space to work with. In my case, this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the front wheels and then I'm going to remove the front bumper from the vehicle. Alright everybody, so as you can see, both of the front wheels are removed from the vehicle, and from here I'm going to remove the 2 bolts which are securing the dust protection of the wheel attached to the front bumper, and then you'll have to pull it out and put it away like I'm doing right here. After that, the 3rd bolt which is securing the front bumper attached to the front fender, it's right here underneath the headlight, and if you want to remove it, you'll have to remove it using a long extension. After you finish removing the 3rd bolt, which is mounted right here underneath the headlight, you can just pull the bumper out from the mounting bracket and it will come out from its place. After that, you have to do the exact same thing on the other side. You'll have to remove the exact same bolts from the exact same locations. Moving forward, the next step which you have to do is to remove the bolts which are securing the undershield attached to the front bumper. In my case, all the bolts were very rusted, so I have to struggle a little bit to remove them, but eventually I was able to remove them completely out from the vehicle. Right here, as you can see, this is the undershield from the front bumper. You have to pull it underneath the vehicle and you have to pull it out completely from the front bumper. And in the last, you have to remove this plastic part which is mounted right here over the front bumper, and right underneath you have 2 more bolts which are securing the front bumper attached to the car. And the last 2 bolts which you'll have to remove are right here, one in the left and one in the right next to the headlights, and after you remove those 2 bolts you can just pull the bumper out from the vehicle. Also, before trying to pull the bumper out from the vehicle, you have to be very carefully, because if your bumper is equipped with a headlight washer system or with parking sensors or with fog lights or something like that, you'll have some connectors right underneath the front bumper, and you have to disconnect them, and only then you can pull the bumper out. Just pull it out a little bit until you create a little bit more space to put your hand underneath and disconnect the connectors, and after that you can pull it out from the car. Very good, everybody. So as you could see, those are all the things and all the steps which you have to follow if you want to remove the front bumper from any Audi A4 B8 out there. Doesn't matter which year it is. In my case, the front bumper was only equipped with fog lights, and I only have to disconnect the connectors for the fog lights. But in your case, if the vehicle is fully loaded, you'll have to remove also the connector for the headlight washer system and also the connector for the parking sensors. With all of these things being said, thank you all for watching. If you liked the video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.